Well, they say I'm a raven, waiting on a sunny day. It's never gonna come my way. 'Cause I was born underwater, oh, the sun is gonna make me sing. So you don't bring to my day. Well, I ran through the years on the back of a mountain lion. I dove head first into the stars and burnt myself alive. Well, I'm not too proud to muster all the words I learned in silence. I'm gonna need change to keep on moving. Hannah, how you gonna get along now? I was thinking about the subtle ways you made me like I was gonna die. I'm not mad now, just a little anxious. There's nothing, baby, true, now that you told me just about 1,000 times. But I never met a wild beast that didn't make me grin. The way they buck their backs, smiling crack as they corner in. So by the time I finish rambling on and on about my death, I think I'm gonna need a change to keep on moving. So now the foxy hounds are both my friends now. Said settle all their petty little tips. They said we were once like you, faith even move, and we knew we had to. All those things we couldn't do. So let it be a goddamn lesson. Love you will lose. Now you're gonna need to change, keep on moving.